Dennana, 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 dennani. ತುಳುನಾಡ ಸೀಮೇಡು ಕಮರೊಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮೋಡು ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಭೂತ ಉಂಡು
Hello, I am Nikita. I am studying in 10th standard.
Hello, I am Vijesh from KPS Memorial High School, Panyanka. I am 10th standard.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರೀಶ್, ನಾನು 10th ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Hello, I am Gagan from KPSK Memorial High School, Panyanka. I am studying in 9th standard.
Hello, I am Varshit. I am studying 9th standard.
Hello, I am Lohit from KPSK Memorial High School, Panjanarka in South Kannada district. I am studying in 9th standard. I am participating in Kalausa, which will be held in New Delhi from 8th to 12th in our district. That is Bhutagola. Bhutagola is the type of worshipping that is Shivaganas like Dhumavati, Panjurli, etc. in Tulunadu. We will very happy to participate in national level competition, and for this we oblige our drawing, especially our drawing master Mr. Venkatraman Kamathy, and our headmaster and all other teachers. They give much support to us.
ಒಂಜಿ ದೈವದ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಪನ್ಪುಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯಕ್ಕಲು ಪನ್ನಂಬೈದಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದೈವದುಮ್ಮು ದೇವೆರು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಿಕರು ಪನ್ನಂಬೈದಿನ ದೈವ ದೇವೆರು ಮನ್ ಪನ್ನಂಬೈದಿನಿ ಅಂಚ 1000 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಡಿದು ದುಮ್ಮದ ಒಂಜಿ ಪುರಾತನ ಒಂಜಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಎತ್ತಿನ ದೈವ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ದೈವ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಭೂತ ಅಂದ್ಮಂಡು ರಡ್ಡು ಬಗೆ ಉಂಡು ಆಯ್ತು ದೈವ ಅಂದನ್ಪಿನ ಅವು ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯೋಗು ಬೋಡಪ್ಪನ ಒಂಜಿ
worshipped such as Satyadevate, Varte Panjurli, Jumadi Banta, Mantra Devate, Korzabbu, Guliga, etc. There are stories that describe their heroism and how they came to be worshipped. Bhutakola is a night-long ceremony held to invoke, worship and many a times to ask for advice on various matters ranging from family issues to property disputes. It is said that the advice or judgment given thence was even considered valid in the court of law during British times. The area is brightly decorated with flowers, mainly jasmine and firecracker flowers and alike, and also brightly lit. The various idols are placed in the tent and traditional designs are drawn around. A man acts as the medium for the spirit to temporarily occupy. The evening begins with the artist carefully applying the prepared bright colors on his well-oiled face and body, and dressing up with traditional jewelry and clothes. There are specific communities who take up the task with different communities for different spirits. The female members of their families recite songs and pardhanas in praise of the spirit which will be invoked as the makeup is applied. The music of drums and the wind instruments is hypnotizing and bewitching by itself, quickly alternating between slow-paced and rapid beats. It is enough to get anyone on his feet. As the initial beat starts, The artist slowly goes into a trance-like state, followed by a dance which is quite in tune with the beats. As the beats quicken, so does the dance, so that by the end of one cycle, he
Vapurluya, 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 Genaga Pardana, Ninna Analikena, Tase Tembere Duttu, Vadyoda Sabdona, Vapurluya, Vapurluya, Vapurluya. ಪನ್ಪುನಾಂಡ ಪುಲ್ಯ ನೆಟ್ಟ ಉಂಡು ಕಡಲರ್ದ ಘಟ್ಟದ ಮೂಟ ಪನ್ಪುನಾಂಡ ಪುಲ್ಯ ನೆಟ್ಟ ಉಂಡು ಕಡಲರ್ದ ಘಟ್ಟದ ಮೂಟ ಕಥೆನ ದಿನವೆಥೆನ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕನ ಸಂಗತಿನ ಒವ್ವುಂದು ಪನ್ಪುನ ಜನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮರ್ಲೋನ ತಾಸೆ ತೆಂಬೆರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡು ನಿನ ನಲಿಕೆ
he is widely running about with loud war cries. Likewise, another round of the ritual with a different set of spirit is held. This time it is a pair of spirits, sister and brother, called Varte and Panjurli. Varte, being a female spirit, is mild, while her brother Panjurli is aggressive. The cries are louder this time. The well-synchronized dance is energetic and enchanting. The beats are faster. They circle around each other, calling out each other's name. Coconut tree derived articles play an important role here, right from the headgear to the skirt, like garment called siri. It makes its appearance everywhere. Siri is worn over the clothes, and it is quite a sight to watch it gracefully swishing about as the dance goes on. The same ritual of keeping a burning camphor on the tongue is repeated many times, but this time the expressions are more vivid.